Welcome to the Cre8Clipz training video series. In this video, I am going to show you how to create portrait studio quality video. Go to the left menu and click on AI Video Creator and Cre8Clipz bot will be open. Now choose your desired category in which you want to create your video. Enter the desired keyword on which you want to create a video. Now choose Portrait Orientation. And your desired portrait studio quality video open in our exclusive editor. Now you can customize it according to your requirements. Once you are done editing, click on Export and your portrait studio quality video is ready. You can add music to your video if you want. Or download it. Share it. Thanks for watching the video.